She's a good girl. Mindy's a good girl. Oh, what's the matter? What happened there? I wasn't looking, I guess. Because I'm not paying attention to what you wanted. You never really know what you want, do you, Mindy? Think about it real hard. Think about it as hard as you can, little girl. You're going to have to make a decision sooner or later. What are your thoughts, huh? You want to come out? Step up. You want to step up? You don't have to. You did it. You stepped up. Okay. There's Mindy. How cute are you? It's all right.